Hey guys, Jet Scott here, and flip it around, bam! I know I'm ugly. I want to tell you something. Dad and I went up to Best Buy in a little bigger town. We bought something for the channel. Him and I went half and half. Gets a little more money we can afford to spend, really. But I think you're going to enjoy it. We're going to do a review on this product, because for a product like this, you would imagine there would be quite a few reviews on it. But for some reason, this version, I couldn't find any reviews online. So, I'm going to do a review on it. We bought ourselves an actual GoPro. And I did already open it. And I got it all set up because I had to connect it to my phone and stuff. But we bought the GoPro Hero 7 White, which is the cheap one. This was $199. Look at that. I already got fingerprints on the screen. Damn. But it's the 1080p. What is it, like 60 frames per second or 30, something like that. 10 megapixel camera, touch screen, all that fun stuff. Get focused in there. It does slow-mo video. It's pretty freaking sweet if you ask me. And we also got one of these little tripod selfie stick things. I guess that's what it's called. But we're not here for this so much. We're here for this bad boy. So let's go ahead and open her up. Like I said, I already had it opened up. So it's going to be pretty simple. Now, one thing I do have to say about this thing is I don't know who the hell this Asian dude is, but I don't want to stare at him when I'm trying to film. I mean, nothing against Asian people, but it's going to be kind of hard to see what I'm filming with that guy on the back. So right here it tells us how to take the camera off. We got to flip that thingy. We got to push some thingies. We pull the camera off. So let's push the thingy up, push some thingies in, and camera comes off. Look at that. I'm a freaking genius. And you have a camera. Now I got to say, I use some little cheap Chinese GoPro look-alike things from Wish. They're like 30 bucks. And you can get some for like 40 or 50. And that's what you typically see in my footage. Well, this thing ought to severely outclass them. So, in the box, you know, this is actually pretty nice. This little stand it's on. Kind of a shame that they wasted the molding of a mount for this. But you open this baby up. It's a nice box. It really is. For 200 bucks, if, you know, you're doing YouTube and stuff, I don't see how you get much better. You know, you get a bunch of junk paperwork you don't care about. And here you get some decals. I don't know what the hell you'd use them for. They're nice decals. And you open up the little flappies and you get some little mounts. This one's for like a helmet, but it's actual 3M tape, so definitely worth the money there. And you get, you know, your little cord. I don't know if it's special to the GoPro or not, but there it is. Can't have too many of them. And there's just another base. But that's not important. I do like the plexiglass top, though. These are cool boxes. I might keep that. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Because the part of this review is I want to film the majority of it with the GoPro itself. Just to see how good it is, really. So, yet again, another box, more stuff. Our fancy little selfie stick thingy, you know. We can do like a vlog or something, you know. Let's just pretend like this is my GoPro. Make sure it's still on, yeah. You know, we can just be like, yeah, blah, 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 selfie, selfie, selfie. You know, one of those things, so, yeah. And, of course, we'll thread it in here. We got another mount. So, I'm going to tell you what. We're going to fire this bad boy up. Well, it's amazing. I'm really surprised. This thing comes pre-charged. We're going to peel off our Asian friend here. Anybody wants this little Asian guy, message me, and I'll send him to you. You can have this little Asian dude. Pop this back through here. Man, it's a pain in the butt. Do this all one-handed. Come on, Asian guy, get off my screen. Come on, Asian guy, come on. There we go. All right. We're going to name him Francis. Francis, get over there. All right, we're going to power on this bad boy. It's not powering on. All right, GoPro's now on. Look at that screen. Come on, focus, damn you. Yeah, it comes pre-charged, like 45% battery. Touch screen, I thought that was neat. It's got voice commands, all sorts of things on here. Like, I haven't even like truly explored this thing. You know, it time lapse video, take still pictures. But we are now going to face in to the GoPro. And now we are filming with the little GoPro camera. Wow, this thing is very clear. Holy crap. This is amazing. I don't know if this is going to have a weird fisheye effect. I kind of hope not, because I really don't like fisheye. This is really neat. I'll tell you what, I'm going to set up some stuff and try and make a little stand so we can use a selfie stick. Give me just a second. Well, that was easy. Take off the old guy. Wow, this is really neat. I like this. I really hope that this appears the way it does on the screen, but there's my Galaxy S5 Active that I've had for many years. You know, this is what's been filming just about everything. What's cool is you got the GoPro app. Let's just go ahead and load this up. Give me just a second. Alright, so now my GoPro is now connected to my phone through Bluetooth. Which, this is just amazing technology. Call me a dumb redneck hick, whatever you want to call me. But that's just the way I am. This is just absolutely insane technology. My camera was probably telling me the battery's starting to get low. Once it hit like, I guess it's 35% or something. But here's what's cool to me. Look at this. This is my phone. It's acting as a dual screen. This is so neat. I mean, this is just really cool. So I can have this thing set up, this GoPro set up anywhere on a tripod. And let's say I want to make sure I'm getting the shot I want. I can look over here. Oh my God, this is trippy. Wow, I'm seeing what you guys are seeing. This is fucking cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is really neat. I'm looking. Wow, my sideburn looks really good on that side. Huh. Man, I got a double chin from hell. That's not cool. Let's get a cool angle. There we go. Yeah, so this is really cool. I mean, wow. You want to talk about motion sickness? Wow, this is sketchy. I don't know if I like that part, but this is what's cool about this thing. I mean, this thing's right out of the box. Once I connected it to my phone, we're already here filming. So, oh, it turned the screen off because it's connected to my phone. Let's knock that off. I want to look through the viewfinder. Let's go out here and take some cool video footage. I'll see you guys in a sec. So we're out here now. Welcome to a beautiful day in Kansas. Overcast, rainy, drizzly. And out here with my phone, it would not be able to see anything. And of course, there's my charger, Jezebel. Tell you what, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna play some music as we look at the cars. Go. There's just some footage. I mean, this is like the worst day to be out here filming. It's dark, it's cold, it's miserable, like my soul and my life. Except for when I'm with you guys. It's kind of weird. You didn't hear that from me. Yeah, literally. It's just nasty out. Really nasty. In my pond. This is what happens when it rains in front of our garage. It was a lot worse earlier. Gotta open the door, dumbass. But here we are back, and of course, my phone is still connected to this, so it's wanting to be a second screen. This is insane. I mean, once I get this footage on my computer, I'll actually be able to see what kind of shape it's in, but so far, so good. If you guys are out there trying to be YouTubers, and I mean, we're a really small channel. We are really small. I want to make sure I'm not in the darkness here. We are just a really small channel still. I mean, maybe 1,500 subscribers at this point. You know what? This is worth the expenditure. I mean, like I've told you before, this channel is preserved memories of me and my dad, and I can't be more happy to have people like you guys watching and enjoying the content. It means so much. And I can't thank it enough. And, you know, this GoPro here maybe will be a sign of things to come. And this little stick is handy. Like, I never wanted to be one of these guys. This is, I feel like I'm a magical schoolgirl right now. I just did that on camera. Anyways, here's a sneak peek of what's going to be coming up soon. If you don't know what this is off of, well, I guess you'll just have to wait. Boom. And of course, we're going to start working on my 426 Hemi soon. This is supposed to just be a strictly review video, and I'm getting sidetracked. But I want to show you just everything about this camera I possibly can. And I've only had this camera for maybe an hour. And I'm an idiot. I'm a grease monkey. I work on engines and old stuff, mechanical things. And I've already figured out how to use this thing for the most part. So, I highly recommend one of these. If you got $199, go to Walmart, Best Buy, somewhere, and pick one of these things up if you want to film. Because I'm literally just filming on this thing. My editing software is, oh, someone's car alarm's going off, is freaking Movie Maker, which is like for children. And that's what I use. So, I don't have any of that audio correction stuff that the fancy people have. So what you see in here is what's coming straight off this GoPro. So if you want to take videos of stuff, and this is as nice as it feels like it is going to be, and there's also going to be no video stabilization. So, and I'm kind of shaky. Oh, with this hand's better. But anyways, my point is, I'm extremely impressed. This is just the GoPro Hero 7 white. This is the cheap one, bottom of the barrel. And so far, I'm very impressed. Anyways, guys, we're going to cut back to a video with my phone so you can see any kind of contrast difference. And I'll see you then. And there we are, right back to me and my old phone. The thing you've seen so many times me film on. If the GoPro is better, it doesn't do something goofy with a fisheye effect. Expect to see more with it. Well, regardless, you're going to see more with it. I'm still going to use my little cheap Chinese cameras, my fake GoPros, but I'm also going to be using the real GoPro. So I want to make the best content possible because everybody out there, you guys are worth it. And I appreciate you watching this. And my opinion, it was worth $200. I think I only paid $100 because Dad paid half of it. That's how we do things, but appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.